Have you ever felt that, even with time and distance, something inside you remains intertwined with someone? As if a part of your heart simply refuses to let go, even when logic says otherwise. Take a deep breath, because what you are about to discover may forever change the way you understand that connection. The angels guided me to you today with a message that comes as a divine whisper straight to your soul. A revelation that is not just spiritual, but deeply emotional. There is someone in your life, yes, the one who has never completely left your thoughts, who has never stopped loving you. No matter how much time has passed, the unspoken words, or the paths you've taken, that feeling still lives, pulsing in the silence. Behind the forced smiles, the rational decisions, and the distances created, this person carries a love that has never faded. And more than that, the angels reveal that they are about to do something that will prove, without a doubt, that you still hold a special and irreplaceable place in their heart. This person may have appeared to move on. They might have sought other paths, tried other loves, but none of them have been able to touch their soul like you did. It's as if, with every new beginning, they are searching for traces of you. In every gesture, in every foreign gaze, they seek to relive what they could only find with you, a rare, intense, and profoundly true connection. And now, something within them is awakening. The angels show that this awakening is inevitable, because true love, even when dormant, never dies. It merely waits for the right moment to bloom again. And that moment is approaching. This person is being overwhelmed by memories that seemed forgotten, shared laughter, deep conversations, comfortable silences. Small fragments of the past return with an almost supernatural force. And along with these memories comes courage. The courage to admit that you are indeed the great love of their life. Perhaps she is afraid. Perhaps she hesitates. After all, it's not easy to face one's own feelings, especially when they threaten to upend everything that seemed resolved. But the call of the heart is stronger. And that's why the angels urge you to be ready. Because this person is getting ready to take a step, and that step could change everything. She wants to tell you what she has never had the courage to express. To show with gestures what words have failed to convey. To demonstrate that, despite everything, love remains. And now, more mature and self-aware, she wants to do things differently. She wants to make it work. And here's an important point. The angels ask that when this moment arrives, you listen with your heart. No judgments, no rigid expectations. Just allow yourself to feel. Because what's coming won't be just any request. It will be a surrender. A confession. A recognition of what you both have always known but for some reason, never fully lived. This is the invitation from the heavens to you. Be open. Receptive. Because the universe is aligning to bring back what is true. And it's no coincidence that you are reading this message now. Everything has a purpose, and this moment marks the beginning of a new phase. A phase where love can finally be lived without fear. If you felt this message resonate deeply within you, it's because it was made especially for you. And if at any point you doubted your worth, the impact you've had on this person's life, the angels remind you now, you are unforgettable, irresistible, irremovable from the soul of those who truly love you. And if you've made it this far, allow me to make a special request. As a gesture of commitment and openness, write in the comments, I receive this love. This simple act is a way of telling the universe that you are ready. That you not only believe in love, you are willing to live it. Now imagine for a second how it would be if that person showed up today, with glistening eyes, their heart in their hands, saying, I never stopped loving you. And I'm here to prove it. How would your heart react? What would you feel? Because this scene, dear soul, is closer than you think. And the angels assure you, when this happens, it won't be a coincidence. It will be destiny. It will be the answer to all your silent prayers, for all those nights when you closed your eyes wishing for just one thing, to be loved fully by someone who truly sees you. So keep the faith. Keep your heart at peace. Because the love that is yours will always find its way back. Have you ever wondered why, even after so much time and so many changes, the thought of that person still lingers with you? Why certain feelings, no matter how much we try to rationalize, simply don't disappear? The angels want you to know, this is not just nostalgia or attachment, it's connection. A connection that transcends logic and touches something much deeper, the soul. The love that this person feels for you has never been fleeting. And do you know what makes it even more powerful? It's that, even when they tried to move on, even when life pushed them away, the feeling remained there, intact, constant, growing silently. And now, it's about to emerge with a force that even they can no longer contain. There's something happening inside this person. A mix of longing, regret, and an overwhelming desire to start over. The angels reveal that she has been thinking about you often, dreaming about you, imagining what it would be like to turn back time and do things differently. And while time can't be reversed, her heart is pleading for a second chance. Here's a detail the angels insist on highlighting: you were the turning point. It was your presence, your unique way of loving, your compassion, your strength in the face of difficulties. All of this awakened in her a love that goes beyond attraction. A love that has roots, that deepens over time. A love she can no longer ignore. You've probably noticed subtle signs. A message that appears out of nowhere, a memory that surfaces inexplicably, a song that plays and seems to speak directly about the two of you. These aren't coincidences. They are signs. Calls from the universe. Confirmations that something is shifting in the unseen, and that this person is getting ready to take action. She will reach out. Maybe with timid words, maybe with bold actions. But she will come. Because her heart is screaming for it. And the angels are clearing the paths, dispelling the fears, illuminating the steps so that this reunion happens in the right way, at the right time. And in that moment, all the angels ask of you is openness. Not to relive the past, but to allow a new future to unfold. A future where you no longer have to guess what this person feels. Where everything will be said, demonstrated, and lived intensely and wholeheartedly. The next action from this person won't be just any action. It will carry a tremendous symbolic weight. Perhaps it will be an apology, or a brave declaration. It could come in the form of an invitation, a glance, a touch, but it will arrive as undeniable proof that love has never stopped existing. And do you know why? Because true love, when it's real, never dies. It transforms, matures, and rebuilds itself. And when the universe decides it's time for two hearts to reunite, there's no obstacle that can stand in the way. And that moment has arrived. Allow yourself to dream again. Embrace the possibility of being surprised. Because the angels are saying, get ready for something beautiful, sincere, and profound. Something that will warm your heart like you haven't felt in a long time. And if you felt something different while reading these words, if your heart raced or your eyes misted over, know this, it's not a coincidence. It's your spirit recognizing the truth. It's the confirmation that this message was meant for you. Now more than ever, you need to trust your intuition. Because it is guiding you exactly where you need to be. And what's coming will move you in ways you never imagined. Sometimes, all the heart needs is a chance to be heard. And that's what the angels are offering you right now, a chance. A new page, a new chapter, but with the same essence, the same love that has always been there, just waiting for the right moment to bloom again. This person who has never stopped loving you is experiencing a whirlwind of emotions. The angels reveal that they have been revisiting everything, the memories, the mistakes, the unspoken words, the repressed feelings. And in this process, one certainty has gained strength inside them. Nothing, absolutely nothing, compares to you. They may have met other people, and they may have even tried to build new paths, but no connection has been able to reach the depth that the two of you achieved. And now, despite all the fears and doubts, they are determined not to let this love slip through their fingers again. And do you know what's even more beautiful? It's that she doesn't just want to come back. She wants to make it work. She wants to mature by your side, grow with you, build something based on truth, respect, and commitment. No more empty promises, no more prolonged silences, but rather presence, dialogue, and constant affection. The angels show that, within the heart of this person, you are home. You are the safe harbor. And this scares her because she has never felt anything so real before. But at the same time, it's precisely what drives her to take action. Because she knows that if she loses you again, she might not find anything else that compares. Right now, the universe is preparing you. And maybe that's why you felt that strong calling, that message touching parts of you that have been dormant. Because deep down, you also know, it's not over yet. There is still so much to live, so much to feel, so much to share. And this is where something the angels gently ask comes into play. Open yourself to receive. Yes, you have been hurt. Yes, there have been painful silences, confusion, and even disappointments. But now, love is coming in a new form. More conscious, more whole. And you deserve to experience this, with fullness and joy. When this person takes the initiative, and she will, embrace that move as a divine gift. As the answer to all those nights you wished to be loved truly. Because that's what's on the way. A clear, concrete, undeniable demonstration that love never went away. And here's something the angels asked me to share with you. At the moment this reunion happens, tell yourself, I allow myself to live this love. Because this simple affirmation activates within you a frequency of receptivity that magnetizes everything that is being prepared in the higher realms. Nothing you've experienced up to this point has been in vain. Every tear, every longing, every silence. Everything had a purpose. It was the journey that prepared both of you for now. For this new beginning that will be so much more than a return, it will be a joint ascent. A love elevated, spiritual, transformative. And if at this very moment you are feeling a mix of anxiety, excitement, and peace, know that this is the presence of angels confirming that everything is falling into place. That this love is real. And that this person's next action will be living proof of that. Dear soul, everything is being orchestrated so that you not only receive love, but so that you are fully reciprocated. And that time has come. The surrender is near. The revelation is knocking at the door. And all you need to do is say yes. The angels now show me something even deeper. They whisper that this person, yes, the one who has never forgotten you, has been quietly prepared for a meeting that goes beyond a physical reunion. It's about a spiritual alignment. Of souls who finally understand that the love between them has a mission. This love is not returning to your life merely out of nostalgia or desire. It is returning because it carries within it a healing. For you. For her. For everything that was left unresolved in the past. And that is precisely why now, everything will be different. Because both of you are ready. You have gone through a process of strengthening. You learned to love yourself more. To understand your worth. To set boundaries. And this has prepared you to receive love with maturity, without needs, without fantasies, but with a heart that is full and open. And this person, upon feeling your new vibration, can no longer stay away. She notices how much you've grown. How much brighter your light is now. And this draws her in almost magnetically. The angels say that she not only wants to come back, she wants to be a real part of your life. To share routines, dreams, plans. To be present in body, soul, and heart. And here's a powerful revelation. Her next move won't be a mere attempt. It will be a decision. She will come with clarity, with truth, with the vulnerability of someone who has finally understood that loving also means allowing oneself to be seen completely. The angels reveal that she has rehearsed what she's going to say to you multiple times. She has written messages she never sent. She has thought about calling you but hesitated. Yes, the fear still exists. But now, it is being overcome by love. And this love has a name. Yours. You might be wondering, is it still possible after everything? And the angel's answer is clear, yes, if both of you are willing to do things differently. Because time doesn't erase true feelings, it just reveals whether they are strong enough to survive. And this love has survived. That's why the angels ask you, trust. When this person approaches, don't try to control what will happen. Just be present. Let the moment speak for itself. Because it will come laden with truth, emotion, and purpose. And now, in a moment of deep connection, the angels extend an invitation. If you feel that this message was meant for you, if somewhere deep in your heart you've always known that this love wasn't over, then sign up now. Because the coming days will bring clear signs. And you'll want to be ready to recognize them. The sign up isn't just to follow the next chapters of this story. It's an act of faith. A vote of confidence in what the heavens are preparing. A silent yes that echoes high above and sets powerful forces in motion in your favor. Just click and sign up. Let the angels see your dedication. And get ready to experience something beyond any expectation. Because yes, this person has never stopped loving you. And now, finally, they are going to prove it.